So talk me through your turning range.
Okay, so what have we done with turning? Okay, so turning, what we're doing here is, again, we are utilising the latest technology to increase productivity. How have we done that? If we take the quick turn here at the front, okay, double-edged insert, 6 cutting edges, but multi-directional turning. Turn to the chuck and back from the chuck. It reduces the amount of downtime and keeps the cutter in cut. So what we're doing with that is utilising all round the insert. Again, cost effectiveness.
Now, I saw a machining demo with Citizens, and they are doing the back turning.
Yes.
And I didn't really understand the benefits of it, because obviously as an apprentice you're always taught to go from the blank side
into
in.
the chuck.
So to come in and come back.
Come back as well. Again, what's that doing? It's reducing your cycle time. We haven't got any spare time. We're not having any air cuts. We're keeping everything in contact, and again, reducing cycle time. And with the 6 cutting edges double-sided, we're giving the customer their cost effectiveness as well.
So that's obviously one of your turning inserts. But let's talk through grooving.
Okay, grooving. Okay, Logiq F Grip, Quick F Grip. Okay, so what we're doing with this is, it's a tangentially mounted insert. What we're now doing with this is we can actually put high feeds on these because of the tangential location. And what we can do with that is right down to a 2 mil, okay, but high feed. So we can part off quicker. Some of the savings on that, we've got cutters that used to say take a minute to part off. We can now do in 20, 30 seconds. So we're halving productivity, again, for the customer, and giving them the extra strength and location.
And with the extra strength, you actually see a lot of people using these for different operations now as well, not just parting off.
Okay, you can do small side turn with them. This is a productivity for parting off. That's what that's designed for, right up to 86 diameter.
Well.